everyone, how's it going? Luke here, and I've just recently posted a new car on my Instagram, a blurred out picture of a project car for my channel. So without further ado, here she is. That's right, it's a 1995 Ford Mustang SM95. And for any American viewers, you're probably wondering what the big deal is with this car, but in the UK this is like rarer than a Ferrari. I've never ever seen one of these on UK roads, especially like this shape or this year. And it came across my path at the right time, for the right price, and I just thought it's something I had to try out, because we never get to sample a car like this on UK roads. And the car is in actually really good condition mechanically, and the bodywork is pretty good for a 23-year-old car. Definitely turned some heads. I have no idea whatsoever what I'm going to do with this car. I literally just bought it to see what it's like. I'm ready for all the Chris Fix jokes, so leave your suggestions what I can do with this car in the comment section below. So of course we're going to detail this car. I'm going to try and make it a little bit more standard. There's a bit too much going on. I'm going to take you through what's been done to it, what's like at the moment. So first, let's start off with the bodywork on this car. As you can see, for the age of the car, this bodywork is really good. It's very straight down the sides. Just a couple of small door dings from a car park, but for the age of the car, it's very straight. And this car has actually been resprayed, so it's not the standard colour, any Ford colour actually. It's something called a Brandywine, I think, which is it's in a candy style colour. Of course, someone's put projector style headlights in the front. I'm not too sure on these at the moment. And there's lots of fake carbon fibre trim all over. I think it's been hydro dipped. So we've got them on the bonnet, on the wing mirrors, and then we've got going all along the pillars here. But you can see like we've got carbon fibre here, and it kind of fades out the front. So I don't know whether that's UV damage or the hydro dipping tank wasn't big enough to accommodate the pillars. So I'm probably going to take all this back, make it the same colour as the rest of the body, just kind of tone the black down a bit. You've also got these wheel arch extensions which are peeling pretty badly, and unfortunately the front one is missing, so I'm probably going to take them off and just not bother with them at all, stick them more back to standard. Again, probably kind of paint the side intakes as well. On the back we've got this kind of humongous rear wing, but it's not really doing anything. It's very flimsy. So I'm probably going to try and replace that with the standard Mustang one. And of course, dual exhaust on the back. It has had an exhaust on the car actually. And it sounds, well, very loud. But it's a bit hard to see underneath because the car's so damn low. So yeah. So I'll just put these trims back on just for now, just to show you. So I'm going to pull these straight off. The car looks better without them at the moment. Unfortunately, for some reason, in the front wings, there is holes, even though these trims are attached kind of like underneath the wing instead. So definitely better about the trims on, just looks a lot cleaner, a lot more finished off. And they've got quite a lot of curbing around the wheels unfortunately, but these should be quite easy ones to actually repair because they're just on a lip, so I can probably just mask them off and just spray down bits and fill them in. Moving on around the car, these are the keys for the car. It's on, not counting this one, 4 different keys for 4 different locks, I'm not kidding you. So, of course, we start off with the boot of the car. Well, actually, there's a problem. What do we call it? Do we call it a boot or do we call it a trunk, being an American car? I have no idea what we should be calling the different parts of this car. So, yeah, let's go in the back. Now, struts don't work properly, so I've got to make sure this doesn't kind of fall on my head. So, I've just got bits of different car parts here. Now, the intake box has some weird hydro-dipped scary clowns on it, so I don't know really who thought of this stuff when they were sticking on the car. It's not quite to my taste. And of course we have a spare wheel in here, which some eagle-eyed viewers might realise is a Vauxhall Astra one. I'll get to why that's in a second. Alright, take our second key, let's open the driver's door. And the inside is actually in pretty good condition actually. There's no massive wear to anything apart from a little bit of the seat bolts to here. That's the worst of the stuff, but the seats are very comfy and should clean up really well actually. So yeah, following this hydro dip theme that someone's done, they've kind of hydro dipped most of the interior parts in this kind of like weird American Western style. But whoever's put them trim back together has really broken most of the clips, so everything's a little bit creaky at the moment, so I'm probably going to have to find new clips to make this work properly. 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. And yeah, we do actually have a nifty little cup holder here. Nothing big enough to fit modern drinks in, maybe coffees in the 90s were smaller. I know some of the later ones have cup holders here, but maybe try and look at sticking them in somehow, that'd be more useful for me. One weird thing about this car, which I didn't realise at first, is that it's actually a Japanese import, which I didn't know this car was sold in Japan, which is a bit weird. And it's not just this sticker here, I found stuff all over the car, which surprised me at first, because I thought the sun visors had been replaced at some points, because they had Japanese stickers on the sun visors, and that's the first thing I noticed. Same on the driver's one there, and in the glove compartment there was another sticker in Japanese. But yeah, it turns out this car was sold in Japan. It comes from Japan, which is a bit of a shame, because to me, I know it sounds stupid, the idea of this, you know, the Mustang is the American dream, and I don't know, it's kind of nice to imagine the car driving along Route 66, even though I probably would have never done that in America anyway. But you know, you get that image in your head of what the car's doing, going along Route 66, driving through Tokyo. It's not quite the same effect. Now, like I said before, you're probably wondering what this wheel of the Astra's for. In regards to a Mustang, it's mainly for the hood release, and yeah, I'm calling it hoods, I'm calling it the American names because it's an American car and it says hood on the car. So if you don't like that, tough luck. Yeah, this is because I need someone to push the hood down to open it, and I can't do that by myself. So obviously I need to adjust the catch on there, but open it up. I'll show you the heart of the car. So here we go, check this out. It's only a 3.8 litre V6, I say only, in British terms, that's a huge engine. But yeah, it's only the baby, it's not the V8, but it's still got some decent torque behind, even if the horsepower figures aren't much. It looks like on this side here we've got an intake system. It's a non-standard. But yeah, you know, it's gonna probably clean up really well. It's gonna be nice to maybe put some hose kits on here and make everything look nice and shiny and new, but a detail of the engine bay should look pretty good on this. The engine is really, really smooth. You can hear very smooth. No weird noises, anything like that. Hear that intake sucking air in at the front. Thanks guys and girls for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any content with this car coming up in the next few weeks. Anyway, see you all soon, take care, have a good one.